So today guys, I came to correct a parcel that came from the USA, and I came here in Dollar. That's where I came to correct it from. So here is where the office is located. Yeah, so you'll find a lot of buildings here just along the street. So it is located near the Tazama building. So, and where you just see those two flags there, just there, that is where it is located. So here, when you move just along the corridor, yeah, so you see that there are Zesco offices that side. So you check here when you're coming from this side, so just come straight right here. Okay, so it is written there, Minute House. It's near Zesco, as you can see. Okay, so if you're in Dollar, this is where the office is located. Ishop has got, you see where that woman is standing right there, that is where the offices are located. And when you see just right there at the end there, that's where you find the offices. So when you reach here, you find there is a poster for Ishop. There is a poster for Ishop when you reach there. Oh yes, so here at the door also you'll find it is written I. Alright, let me now do the unboxing of my parcel. Let me see here. So this parcel came from USA. Okay, so it came from Brooklyn, New York. This is USA, that's where I got it from. Yeah, so these are all my details that I had put there. Okay, so I corrected from Dollar, and the weight was 3.5 kg. That was a gross weight, and the volume weight was 3.7, which was rounded off to 4 kg. So on this parcel I was able to pay a 1,421. Okay, so usually when you're buying from the USA, that's very fast. So parcels, they get so much, you tend to pay a lot of money. So let me try and unbox it. Alright, so this was the content of the parcel. There was a laptop inside, power pack. Okay, so this came from Lusaka. I used Mercury Logistics. Okay, so Mercury is also a shipping company that can ship things within the country and also outside the country. So usually I'm never disappointed. Like when I've looked at the laptop here, it is exactly as it was explained in the description. Alright, so this is Ishop that I used, and one of the best so far, one of them. Okay, so thank you so much guys.